Hey guys, it's Allie and Naya. And today, wait, what would this? I would do don't choose the long lipstick.
Today, guys, we are doing mixing random lipsticks or mommy's lipsticks.
These are mommy's lipsticks.
Lipsticks that I bought into slime, and we're gonna see what they look like. But
if we can put them on us.
That's right. You each get to try on a lipstick before you put it into your slime.
And guys, guess what? Naya, when she was little, she ate a whole kind of lipstick.
Guys, as usual, we are going to be having our Anacorn challenge. We're going to be putting to the test Team Kitty Corn and Team
Flippy Corn.
Team Teddy Corn. So, as you can see, these are our Anacorn collections. You can go to the anacorns.com. This is our exclusive Christmas collection. These are one-of-a-kind collectibles made by Squishables. If you don't get one now, they could be gone forever. We are going to make Ellie Corn, and for Team Teddy Corn, we're going to give it to Naya.
What if you land it into the...
That's why I handed it to you. I didn't want that. Our shirts are a little bit destroyed because we make slime with them.
Don't ask.
But we also have cute things like pillows, and we're also going to be coming out with notebooks and all types of cute things that you guys can collect. Naya and Ellie merch. The link is on the screen. There's a bit of something. What is that? There's something
We'll have more socks.
Merch socks.
Guys, pants.
You guys leave a comment below. What kind of merch do you want with Naya and Ellie? Do you want book bags? Do you want notebooks? Do you what?
Ketchup.
Yeah, ketchup label with Naya and Ellie. That would be gross. All right, with that said, we're going to begin this challenge. Are you girls ready?
Yeah.
Take a look at these lipsticks, guys. They are all numbered. And we have in this bowl, we have some numbers in here. The girls are going to pick them randomly to see which lipsticks they get. Are you girls ready? Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm going to take
Are you
all
ready?
the numbers. Yes.
Okay. So to begin, we're going to start with rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay. All right. So Naya, you're going to pick your paper. Let's go.
There's really no bad choices like lipstick. 14.
Okay, so let's get 14 out.
14's brown?
Oh.
Wait, it's not brown.
She got like a brownish, like kind of like a brown. I think it is kind of like a brown.
I'm gonna put now. I say red.
So you're gonna put some on. You're gonna put some on. Let's see what it looks like on you. Put it on your lips. Guys, let us know below. Are you Team Naya Corn or Team Ellie Corn? And what do you think about this color on Naya's lips?
Now I'm gonna screw all my.
Now you're gonna put it inside. Oh, and there she did it.
Selfie. Selfie. Yeah.
All right, Ellie, it is now your turn.
It's way prettier on my lips. 7.
Okay, 7. Let's see.
7.
There is 7.
Ooh, I got that nice red.
Ooh, it is bright red. Almost getting ready for the Christmas holiday. If she can move the mirror so we can see. Wow, look at Ellie putting it on nice and neat. Ooh, that kind of looks like Rihanna's Fenty.
What if I get the other big color? 14.
13.
What?
All right, so let's see what lucky number 13 looks like.
No, I don't like these colors.
It's a bluish.
Mommy, stop.
It's a bluish black color. So
it looks like
it's more like an older girl color. Like you wouldn't wear this as a kid.
Don't laugh at my hair. Stop laughing at me! I'm getting such neutral colors. We say it's 8. If it's 8. Oh, 9.
Okay, so Ellie has number 9.
Good job, Ellie. That looks great. Oh, I got
So now Naya has this 12. And you are liking this little family of colors, Naya.
Whoa, she looks so good.
Oh, that's a good color on you. Why you have that kissy face when you put it on?
Because you do makeup. Naya looks so gorgeous. I want to steal her lipstick.
See your lips, Naya? Let us know if you like that color on her.
All I do is this first.
Do you have lipstick on your face, on your ears, on your eyes?
8.
Number 8.
Oh, wait, 15.
15. Oh, she was dying for number 8. Okay. Here's 15 for Ellie. Another one that's very similar to the last one. It's a peachy pink color. There is Ellie with her lipstick. Let us know if you like it.
I just got 11.
OMG. How are you getting these in a row? Alright, so here, Inaya, it's another similar color.
I hate these
She
colors.
has, ooh, it's a sparkly galaxy purple.
I like that have the strings on them now. Ooh, that's actually pretty. Oh, now I'm getting jealous. I have a booger.
Alright, guys, let us know. Do you like that color, Inaya?
6.
You have 6. Okay.
Wait, this is
Oh, you got
16.
16?
I got the gray.
So look at this, guys. Number 16 for Ellie.
Thank
Let's
you,
see.
Ellie, for not making me get gray.
All right, let's see. Ooh. This is a silver. All right, Ellie, let's see what that looks like. All right, guys, take a look at Ellie. Ellie,
Does it look bad?
Ellie, give us a smile.
2 points. I wanted 2. I wanted 2.
Naya has number 2.
Well, there's black and
Okay.
well, there's black and
Ooh, Ellie is hurting right now when she saw this come out.
It's
Ellie, are you hurting?
I'm gonna have a chunk of it.
No.
I'm gonna cry with tears and fall back off my chair.
So take a look at Naya. Naya, give us a pose to the camera. A smile, a normal look. Oh, I chose that for you earlier. I thought that was yours. Ellie, you keep getting these deep reds. Let's take a look at this one. She got another Christmas kind of red.
Oh, Ellie, that is so pretty. Ellie, what?
Really, Ellie? All right, guys.
Team
Team Ellie Corn, she messed up your challenge. Look at her lip. She put it all on her chin. Okay, put it in there. Let's see.
I'm
Naya,
gonna cut
you
off
want
the nice one.
it.
I get number 3. I'm evil.
Oh, wait. This color does not match.
Wait, they're lying.
This looks more reddish. Guys, look how this color is completely different. Put it on, press it hard into your lip.
She's looking good.
Let's see, Inaya. There is her lipstick. Let us know if you like that lipstick.
I'm trying to be, making
What is
10.
10. Okay, Ellie, this is an interesting color. Look at this, guys. It's the Katy Perry one. Oh, it's the exact match to the bottom. So Ellie will be putting on a purple lipstick.
Oh my goodness.
And guys, make sure you stay tuned. You want to see what their slimes look like. Guys, look at Ellie's purple. Look at us, Ellie. Do you like that purple color? I think that's a very flattering color on you, Ellie, actually.
If I get number 8,
I
I got number 8.
Oh, sorry.
What?
Ellie
I
has
don't
been
like that.
dying. Ellie has
No,
been
this
dying
is
for number 8,
Move this way.
and it was stolen from her.
I'm sorry, Ellie. You know what? I don't like that color. Wait,
Oh,
wait. A
wait.
teddy bear is ugly. That is a brownish.
That is not brown. It is.
Ugly
it-
pink.
It is electric pink. It has like different.
Hey, I don't like electric pink.
Look at that holographic pink on Naya. Do you like
Look
the
at my
holographic?
lip gloss. You probably jealous. It's a yucky 5. You took my knife.
Ellie is having a moment of violence because of
I'm
her
mad.
lipstick shade. Ellie, you are always getting these little ashen colors.
I hate that white.
So Ellie has a holographic white. As you can see, she's
Try one number 1. Wait,
having a problem.
wait, this is 1. I got 5.
Oh, you got 5? Okay, guys. Ellie didn't get this holographic white. She got 5. This is more like a pumpkin red. It has like a orangey. Ellie, can we see you? Can you turn?
No,
Well, we love you, so can we see you, please?
no.
Ellie.
I'm cringy and mad. This is an ugly orange color.
It actually looks nice.
I look like an orange monster.
Put it over here.
Looking terrible here.
Ellie, you don't look bad at all. It actually looks good.
I look like a cabbage.
Ellie, can you give us a pose?
I'm too mad.
All right, we're gonna open them up at the same time because this is a switch up round.
1! Yeah!
4. So this is number 4, what I opened earlier, which I thought was Ellie. And then here is Naya's, which is this is Ellie's, which has like a purplish pink color. Like a deep pink. All right, so we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors, and we're gonna decide if Naya wants to keep hers or trade, and Ellie gets to decide if she wants to keep hers or trade.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes, pink.
Okay, so she's keeping hers. Let's see, guys, who do you think is gonna put on their lipstick to that? This is Ellie's final color. I'm going to close up again. There is Ellie, and let's see Naya. It looks like she's eating chalk bits at this point.
I look awesome.
All right, let's give it to Ellie.
Like a dynamite glitter mine. I look like a dynamite. I don't know what I was talking about.
Okay, so this is Ellie's final slime bowl. There are all her lipsticks in there. Here is Naya's final bowl. Okay, so team, where are you? Team Kitty Corn, Ellie Corn. Let's see you start mixing.
Ugh.
Try to get all that lipstick mashed up in there.
Yeah, we're trying to mash it up.
Mash it up as much as you can. All right, so team Naya, let's go and start mixing it up. A little faster.
I'm gonna try.
All right, there we go. Okay, so here are our final slimes. It's kind of hard to get all the chunks in there, but you guys can see 2 very different colors. Let's get a close-up. Team Ellie, take a look at your slime. Why don't you stretch that for us, Ellie? Let's see. Whoa!
It's so big, I'm actually gonna try. Oh.
Whoa, look at her bubblegum pink slime.
Bubblegum will actually be a little bit lighter.
Yeah, bubblegum may be a little lighter, but you have a deep, almost, it is a...
Rose.
All right, and Naya, yours actually looks like dark rose. We actually have some roses that are this color. It's like a purpley dark rose. Ellie's is like a bright pink rose. Yours is a dark rose, and it's really pretty. Both of them are pink, but Naya's has a more purple tone to it. All right, that's it for this challenge. Make sure you guys check out Naya TV, Ellie TV, and subscribe to all of our channels. And let us know, we are doing a meet and greet on December 1st in Atlanta. Let us know if you guys like meet and greets and if you want us to keep doing more meet and greets. And that is the end of the video.
Bye. Bye. And make sure you take a piece of meat juice. Yeah, make sure you take your meat juice.